Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use Wolfram Alpha for homework help. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use Wolfram Alpha for your homework help, all you gotta do is simply go to Wolfram Alpha. Once you're in your Wolfram Alpha, to use it for your homework, you need to simply start inputting your problem in natural language or math notation, like solve 2x plus 3 is equal to 7 or stuff like this to get answers, visualizations that are graphs, and step-by-step solution, which is included in Pro feature, helping you understand concepts, check work, and explore real-world application in math, science, and more. It's a powerful tool for verifying solutions and visualizing complex problems, acting as a computational assistant rather than just an answer key, especially with its math input mode and pro features for detailed breakdown. So this way you can simply use Wolfram Alpha for homework help. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.